Hi everyone, my name is Aditya Teja. You're watching Aditya Flutes. To make this video today, we have come to this waterfalls. This waterfalls name is Siddhikona Waterfalls, which is located in Raipur, Nellore district, Andhra Pradesh. So today we are going to learn this famous tune from Karthikeya, which comes in the beginning of the movie. So let's learn this tune. Just observe my finger placement and finger movement, and I'll tell you the notations and just follow them, and it is easy. If you are a beginner, you will have to check your position and also your blowing intensity and capacity while playing. So let's play this tune. Sari sari gari, sarigama gari, daniri sari sarigari, sarigama gari, Daniri. You have to listen this tune repeatedly and you have to play according to these notations. If you just play these notations, it will be difficult for you to understand which note is which tune. So you will have to play according to the tune. So listen it properly before you play. So here are the notations, the full notations of the song. Let's play one more time. Here one thing I forgot to tell, here ma is Shuddha ma and ni is Komal ni. The Shuddha ma means like the first whole half note. Like Komal ni means this fifth whole half note. Okay. So just hear the tune properly and just follow the notations and you can play anything. Thank you so much. See you in the next video. Jai Krishna.